Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, students. Here I'm Aisha Afzal, and we have taking your English language class. We have discussed the modal verbs today, and we have discussed a lot of things regarding modal verbs, right? And today we have discussed the can, could, may, might, must, should, will, would, and up to so on. So when we have discussed where we use these sentences, these modal verbs, that is very important. A number of students ask me where we use this kind of sentence. If we just talk about can is used for the ability and the polite request. For example, can I help you? She can go. If we just talk about these kind of string instruments, can you participate in? Can you discuss the sentence right now? Yes. Yes. Okay. Tell me the sentence regarding can.
Can you show me your ID cards?
That's good. Great. Okay, if we just talk about could, that is used for the past ability. If you just, for example, she could go home, could go alone as a child. This used for the past ability, right? We have also used in the past ability and also used in the present tense or present tense also. If we just talk about may is used for the permission, and for example, she may go, right? And any another sentence you have participated in? Yes. Okay. Tell me.
May I go to drink water?
Yes. Good. Okay. If you just talk about might is used for the possibility also. For example, she might go. This is used for the possibility. Might is used for the 50% also. And if we just talk about the must, that is used for the necessity. We just go. We just do it. For example, she must go. There is a surety of 99%. If we just say, oh, you must go, you must attend the meeting. Okay, if we just talk about should, that is used for the advice. She should go. My parent advised me you should pray namaz. So if we have used should as advice, and that is an obligation also. If we just talk about will is used for the future. For example, she will go. Okay, any other sentence in your mind? Okay. If we just talk about would is used for the conditional. She would go if she had time. If we just talk about shall is used for the offer and the suggestion also. For example, shall I go? Shall I go? And any suggestion?
Shall,
Yes.
shall I go?
Yes. And okay. Okay, if we just talk about ought to is used for the we have to at any cost, that is a moral duty. She ought to go. So you have used in the moral duty in any of this. We have used in any. We have the strong says ought to. You ought to attempt the seminar. For example, she ought to go. If you just talk about need to, that is used for the necessity. She need to go. If we talk about have to, if we just talk about have, if have is a structure, we have using have structure. If any sentence regarding have.
Can I have you some money?
Yes. Have I go somewhere else? Yeah. I have a question. Yes, I have a question. Good. And if we just talk about have to, that is used for the external obligation. She has to go. So external obligation, you have do anything means अगर external obligation कहीं पे आ जाएगी तो she has to go means आपने करना ही करना है वो काम. So you have to do in any sense she has to go somewhere else. So this is for the today, and this is a very important topic. Inshallah, I'm just coming with a new topic for you students, and you must with us. Inshallah, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.